In previous episodes, we've talked about the concept of functional flours and their numerous benefits. Today, let's look at their use in culinary applications. They can be used in many applications such as sauces and ready meals, coated products, pasta and gnocchi, meat substitute, meat and seafood products, cream desserts, vegetable desserts and beverages, or even as sprinkling flours. But how do you use a functional flour? How do you incorporate them into your products, and what does it really do? To answer these questions, let's take the example of a sauce manufacturer looking to replace modified starches by a simple, easy-to-use clean label ingredient. But is such a change easy to make? To answer that, we went to meet our culinary expert, Domitille Bar.
Indeed, it is not easy for manufacturers to find the right solution, the one that will meet both the naturalness needs while preserving the texture, taste and color of the final product. There are also many technical requirements to take into account. In the case of a sauce, we will look at the dispersion of the texturizing agents, the shear stress resistance, the stability during cooking, the stability throughout the life of the product until the moment the consumer tastes it. It is therefore with all these objectives in mind that we have developed our Innocence functional flours.
Why and how to use a functional flour?
As explained, our functional flours are natural ingredients that can be added in small quantities and very easily in recipes to replace modified starches. They have no impact on the final product and can be used to meet different requirements in terms of texture and process. As you can see, the use of our functional flours allows us to obtain a smooth, creamy and melting sauce. In addition to being stable during freezing and thawing, they provide a similar appearance to a homemade sauce with a very natural taste. In terms of processing, they have the same benefits as a modified starch, as they have a very good shear and cooking resistance.
How about using a native flour?
A native flour contains amylases that are naturally present in the grain. They act during cooking and will hydrolyze the starch chains, thus preventing the development of viscosity. The sauce will therefore be thinner. In addition, the shelf life of a native flour is shorter than the one of a functional flour with a reduced microbial load. Here are two examples of sauce that have been sold, one formulated with a native flour and the other with a functional waxy wheat flour. Both flours have been incorporated at the same dosage. You can see that the use of the functional flour gives a better stability during freezing and thawing, which we do not have with a native flour. The solution holds together much better, provides a smooth and even texture, and avoids any water releasing. Our wide range of functional flours allows us to make sauce with hot or cold viscosity according to your needs.
Thanks to our functional flours, you can easily replace modified starch while meeting all your requirements in terms of texture and taste. 100% natural, they can be declared as flour, allowing you to have a clean label declaration. To find out more about the use of our functional flours in culinary application, join us for an upcoming episode of 3 Minutes to Understand Our Functional Flours.